Thanks for watching Tech Nurse. Today, I am going to show you how to use the calendar feature that is built into your Windows 10 computer. It is a little hidden feature that is very useful to have at your fingertips. So when you are looking at your desktop, it is going to be in the lower right-hand corner. You will click on the date and time. Up will pop the calendar. You can use the up and down arrows right here to view a different month. If you would like to go back to a previous year quickly, you can click right here and then the whole year will show up. You can also then click the year and you can easily browse through multiple years. That is all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it.